Hello. The Sony Xperia P is the next handset in Sony's new portfolio of smartphones. It's another powerful Android device following in the footsteps of the Xperia S, and here we take a look at its main features. Firstly, we can see that Sony is mirroring the new look across their range. This device includes the strong Sony logo at the top of the handset and the Xperia brand at the base. The Sony Xperia P incorporates a transparent panel towards the base of the device, which is quickly becoming an iconic design for the Sony Xperia range. Again, this panel illuminates and displays three icons, allowing you to hit the back button, home button or menu key, which works better than the Xperia S as it's illuminated icons in this panel which you can touch. When the handset is turned on, the Sony Xperia P is unlocked by sliding the bar on the touchscreen from left to right like so. The handset has a 4-inch scratch-resistant TFT touchscreen, the resolution of which is 960 by 540 pixels, whilst the back cover is similar to the Xperia S in black aluminium. The right-hand side panel from top to bottom includes speaker, power key, volume and zoom toggle, plus the camera shortcut key. The main microphone is found on the base of the device. The headset connector is on the top right with the left-hand side panel housing the SIM card slot, HDMI connector and the USB connector. The Xperia P again includes an embedded battery and a micro SIM, so you may need a new SIM card or a cut-down version of your existing SIM card before you use it. With its slightly smaller dimensions than the Xperia S, this device weighs in at 120 grams, and you may find this nicer in your pocket than its bigger brother. The Sony Xperia P is the first handset to include Sony's new White Magic technology. So what is White Magic? Well, the handset's display includes a fourth subpixel, adding white to the red, green and blue that common displays have. The inclusion of this colour means that the display is twice as bright and twice as power efficient. If you've ever used smartphones outside in sunny weather, you may be aware of the difficulty in viewing some screens, and this is what makes the Sony Xperia P a great choice for this summer. The brightness of the screen has certainly impressed us here. The Sony Xperia P main camera is 8 megapixels, and although this is less than the 12 megapixels featured on the Xperia S, we didn't notice much, if any, difference when taking photos at all. The camera shortcut key allows you to take photos from standby mode with just one press of the button unlocking the device, opening the camera application and snapping the image in just over 1 second. There are multiple camera features to note as well, such as face and smile detection, 3D sweep panorama, whilst there's also a secondary front-facing camera. The main camera allows you to record HD video in 1080p. Sony have again released this handset without ice cream sandwich and instead use Android 2.3 Gingerbread operating system. One notable difference between the handsets is that the Xperia P has 1 GHz dual-core processor rather than the 1.5 quad-core found on the S. However, we didn't see this as much of a problem as the device manages applications perfectly. Compared to the S, the onboard memory is half the amount, however 16 GB should be ample for most users. You get 1 GB of RAM, but unfortunately there is no micro SD card support. The Sony Xperia P supports NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication. Using this technology you can swipe your Xperia P against a pre-programmed smart tag, and the configuration of your smartphone will change to those set on the tag. The NFC sensitive area is on the back of the device. To summarise, the Sony Xperia P incorporates these features: 4-inch scratch-resistant TFT touchscreen, 8 megapixel camera with autofocus, White Magic technology, 1 GHz UA500 dual-core processor, Android 2.3 Gingerbread, 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal memory, Bluetooth, AGPS, Wi-Fi and HDMI support, Sony Mobile Bravia engine, HD video recording in 1080p, USB high-speed 2.0 and micro USB support, and NFC. Check the device out by visiting www.digital-phone.co.uk. Please check out our other reviews. See you soon!